This is going to be another one of the oval spirals. I'm going to try a different die pattern on this, and hopefully it turns out really well. As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out in the washing machine until it's just damp. This is an extra large shirt in case anybody's interested. I have two 8-inch forceps and a rubber band to be able to finish this. I'm going to pick a spot somewhere in the center. Alright, so I'm going to pick a spot right about here and do these about 3/8 to 1/2 inch. I've tried going a bit smaller, and it is much more difficult to try and get it started. So there's about a 1/8 inch gap between the teeth, and then once this is put on, it stretches it to about 1/4 inch. What I do on here is I go ahead and pull that tight. 2 people would work really well for this, I think. I just want to keep those accordions at the very beginning, but the second they start turning without any pull, it starts going haywire pretty quick. If you have children, this would be the time to use them. Mine have run off. Okay, one's cleaning his room and one's learning how to drive. Alright, once I've got it about that far, I'll go ahead and come in and try to touch these up with those. Around. I'm trying to fix this one little spot right here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to. Need to insert another crease into it. There we go. That should work. Okay. I'm not going to be dyeing based on these lines, but I do want to go ahead and have them roughly correct so I know where they intersect. I'm going to put one more around the outer edge. This is always that iffy rubber band. You never know if it's going to help or if it's going to hinder the process. I've had them flip off and then go flying, taking dye with them. Yeah. So this one looks like it's going to stay okay. Alright, off to dye. We are going with Fire Red, Orange Crush, Daffodil, Bright Green, Cerulean Blue, and Deep Purple, and these are all from Dharma. So I've got it laid out. This is the line, not this one, as far as what I'm going to be going roughly through for the pattern. So go ahead and lay this down and we'll start dyeing it. let's go ahead and switch this into the bowl. We'll let that melt through and take a look, probably do another layer. So I kind of got distracted from this one, and it's been about 18 hours. I'm going to go ahead and add some soda ash to the top, and then just put a little bit of ice on it, and probably give it another 6 to 12 hours before the washout. Alright, we'll just let it melt through. So I got distracted again, and it's been about 40 hours in total from the start, so let's go ahead and get this washed out. So I'll go throw this in the wash, and then we'll take a final look. Here's the front, and the back. Alright, sorry about the noise in the background, but it's hot, so air conditioner's on. Alright, I think it looks much better with it spaced in the center instead of off to the side like it was on that first shot. Why the 40 hours that it was in dye? Because I completely forgot about it twice, or got distracted. Distracted's probably a better choice of words. So it sat there, and then it sat there again, and here we go. It was actually moved around quite a few times too in muck, so, and as I've done on another video about the muck being moved, I don't see where anything happened. So I think it looks pretty good. What are your thoughts on this below? Do you have any ideas or suggestions on something else to do with this oval spiral? If so, let me know. Until next time, thanks for watching.